Alright, we have a problem. Let me show you what it is. Side by side is running, but the accelerator pedal is not doing anything. I went to press it and you can feel it give. So I'm assuming the cable's broken. So how are we going to get it around to where I can work on it? Let me show you. Got a charged battery. One of the best tools I ever bought. Positive, positive, negative to negative. And then you hit the boost. It's in boost mode. Let's sit there for a minute. Just like that. Started right up. Wondering where that cable's running. Looks like right here, maybe. There's your throttle. Here's the cable. It's connected to it. Alright, here it goes through there, up through there. Let's see if we can isolate the cable. Which one is it? It's this one here. We got the cover undone. Got the throttle cable coming from the engine up to the throttle pedal, loose from underneath. Now, let's see what it'll take to get it off up the top side. Alright, so I see the problem. We pulled the cable out and it is definitely broken, as you can see. Maybe. It's definitely broken. So, just free state. It goes down into this location right there. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you with taking all that apart. The main part was underneath, so we'll get this cable removed, get a new one, and I'll show you the installation process when we get the cable. Alright, we got the new cable for the yard cart, and looks to be the right one. The one part that connects to the pedal, as I showed you, broke the cable, and it connects right down here, so we've got to get to that, and it runs all the way underneath and all the way back over to here. So that is what we're going to try to get replaced today. So I'm trying to get to that right there. All right, let's see. Man, it's cold still. All right, got me a 10, and while I was at it, went and got my little GoPro light. So we'll shed some light on the subject, as well as maybe get better footage on the camera, like a flashlight. Let's see here. So I'm trying to get to this guy here. Let's see if I can hold that. The way I manipulate my arm in and around everything. Okay. That part's disconnected. Let's see if we can't leave that one nut where it's at. And do it there. And you gotta come all the way around. And then do it there. As I thought. We'll match the old cable up to this nut location. Like so. Okay, Mom and all the worry warts out there. I took care of the concern about the cable holding this up by putting a strap on that will hold 1,000 pounds. So just a little extra precaution. All right, I bent this tab down, as you can see, so I can get the cable routed where it needs to go, right through there. Get it at least up to here. The idea is to bend it over the new cable before I lose it. There we go. Alright, so I went ahead and got the cable back on. Basically had to wind it around this little throttle and hook it to the bracket here. So it's pretty simple. So basically, I got the throttle cable hooked up. You put this little guy in here, and then you route the cable around there until it hooks to the bracket where the cable goes to the gas pedal. So that's just your little throttle body, I guess, is what I'll call it. So that's all it took. Pretty simple. Well, wasn't that simple, but it definitely worked out. So anyway, we got it done, and it's up and going. We're back up and going with the yard cart here. It doesn't look like much, but it definitely helps out when you're running around all up there and walking. You can do that to a point, but when you want to haul stuff or get somewhere quickly on the property of 15 acres here, it definitely comes in handy. So glad to have it back. So thanks for stopping in. God bless you all. And until next time, here on Peterson Farms in Nashville, friends, family, future generations, we do these sort of things so that you can enjoy them way back when in the future.